Hey VSQUAD, we now have membership. Join our strong family and get exclusive content, bonuses, and early access to videos. VSQUAD is more than just a channel. It's a real community. We share ideas, support each other, and grow together. If you want to be even closer to us, join the VSQUAD membership. We have 3 membership tiers. VSQUAD Member. Start your journey with us. Get a unique chat badge, access to special emojis, and watch our videos before anyone else. VSQUAD Creator. Become a part of the creative team. You'll get exclusive member-only videos, vote for new video topics, and enjoy all benefits from the previous tier. VSQUAD Expert. This level is for true experts. You'll gain access to members-only chats, priority comment replies, a social media follow from us, exclusive Discord access, and all the perks from previous tiers. In our VSQUAD, we value each other and strive for greatness together. This is your chance. Become a part of VSQUAD today. Click join and let's conquer new heights together.